Objective question 11P, meaning for private candidates. If we divide this, 2 out of 3 plus 2 out of B is equal to 1 out of C, and C is equal to 3 whole number 3 over 4. Find the value of B. Find the value of B. So let's try to convert the value for C, which is a mixed fraction, to improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 out of 4. Well, we are going to substitute the value of C, which is 15 out of 4, into the equation. So 2 out of 3 plus 2 over B should be equal to 1 out of 15 over 4. We can find the least common denominator here. Between 3 and B is 3B. 3 into 3B, we will have B. B times 2 is 2B, plus B into 3B is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, which is equal to. Now when we get here, we will apply the reciprocal rule, and it will change the whole of these two. 4 out of 15. Now this is how it happened. If we have 1 divided by 15 over 4, it will be 1 times, then this one will change to 4 out of 15. So 1 times 4 out of 15 is the same as 4 out of 15 as we have here. We want to find B. So the next thing, we are going to do cross multiplication. So 15 crosses to the left and multiply 2B plus 6, which is equal to 4 will multiply 3B. So at this point, we expand the bracket. So 15 times 2B is 30B, plus 15 times 6 is 90, which is equal to 4 times 3B is 12B. And we collect like terms at this point. We will leave the 90 here and 12B and transpose the 30B to the right hand side, and we get negative 30B. So 90 is equal to 12B minus 30B will give us negative 18B. To find the value of B, we divide both sides by negative 18, which is equal to negative 18B over negative 18. So negative 18 will cancel negative 18, then B will be equal to negative 18 goes into 90, it will be negative 5. Negative 5. So the value of B is negative 5. Theory question 1A for private candidates. We have to solve 3x plus 1 over 4 minus 3 plus 4x over 3 is less or equal to 1. So first of all, we find the least common denominator or multiple. So 4 and 3, the least common denominator is 12. So we multiply the 12 by each of the terms. So divided by 4 minus 12 to bracket 3 plus 4x over 3, less or equal to 12 times 1. Now cancellation. 4 into 12 is 3. We have 3 into bracket 3x plus 1. Then 3 into 12 is 4. So minus 4 into bracket 3 plus 4x is less or equal to 12 times 1 is 12. 3 times 3x will give us 9x. 3 times 1 plus 3, then negative 4 times 3 will be minus 12. Negative 4 times 4x minus 16x is less or equal to 12. Then 9x minus 16x is negative 7x is less or equal to. Now before that, we also have 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 is negative 9, which is less or equal to 12. So we send or transpose the negative 9 to the right hand side, which is less or equal to 12 plus 9. So negative 7x is less or equal to 12 plus 9 is 21. Then if you want to find x, we divide both sides by negative 7. Negative 7 will cancel negative 7, and 7 goes into 21 is 3. So the value of x will be less or equal to, there is negative here, so negative 3. Theory question 1b for private candidates. It says given that 1 out of x plus 2 out of y is equal to 1 out of z. You should express y in terms of x and z. So you should make y the subject. So to make y the subject, we transpose the term without the y to the right hand side. We are going to get 2 over y is equal to 1 over z minus 1 over x. Then we find the least common denominator. Z and x is x z. Z into xz is x times 1. So we have x, the same thing. X into xz is z. So times 1, so minus z. We want to make y the subject. So we can apply some sort of reciprocal rule to the left hand side and the right hand side. So we can get y over 2, we have turned it upside down, is equal to, then we also turn this upside down, xz over x minus z. So to continue and get only the y, we also use the cross multiplication and send the 2 to the right hand side. Since it is a denominator here, when it comes here, it becomes a numerator. So y will be equal to 2xz divided by x minus z. And that is our final value for y. Now the II part of the question says, if the value of x is negative 5 and that of z is 10, you find the value of y, leaving the answer in a mixed number. So y is equal to 2, x is negative 5. We are substituting this into that. Then z is 10 divided by x is again negative 5 minus z is 10. So 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 times 10 is negative 100 divided by negative 5 minus 10 will give us negative 15. Of course, this will cancel that. 5 into 15 is 3. Then 5 into 100 is 20. So we have 20 out of 3, but we are asked to leave it in a mixed number. So 3 into 20 is 6. 6, 3, 18. Remainder 2 divided by the denominator. So this is our answer, 6 whole number 2 over 3.